At the border between Zimbabwe and Zambia, one of the world's most breathtaking natural wonders roars to life, Victoria Falls. Known locally as the smoke that thunders, this curtain of water stretches over a mile wide, plunging dramatically into the gorge below. As the Zambezi River surges over the edge, mist rises high into the sky, visible from miles away, creating a shimmering veil that often forms vivid rainbows in the sunlight. The sound is constant and powerful, a deep, rolling thunder that echoes through the surrounding rainforest, where lush vegetation thrives on the fall's endless spray. Visitors can walk along scenic paths, feeling the cool mist on their skin, or stand in awe as millions of liters of water cascade every second. Victoria Falls is more than a sight, it's an experience of raw, untamed nature that leaves a lasting sense of wonder.